Okay, let me show you this. What do we do basically? So I'm basically do this data type or data science. It's basically I make some data. Let me show you a little bit so that you can understand a little bit. So this is a function which I'll be doing like I mean so I'm just making this on behalf of like uh, something. I'm making a data sheet for specific thing. For example, uh, sun giver snob official data. Okay, note down this. And if you want to like, these are the so here you can see uh, these are the random things. Okay, so like I'm here defining this function as an n. So if you just do as it doesn't matter. So you just go with this. Like if s is less than equals your age is like 23. Uh, okay. Mm, and user is over 23. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Yeah. You can do from here as well or from here. It doesn't matter, but it has to be going through this chronologically. These are the type making this. So these are else if, and else. Else if you can do elif as is less than equals. Uh, for example, less than equals uh, 30, and print this is over age for showing data. This is the data of for your age, for example. So I'll just make sure in the system that it is going on. Else, then you print, okay, uh, nothing update. Yeah, do you like that? Because it is, has to be defined. But before that, all the time, you just uh, contact info print, give is num. Uh, no, doesn't matter. Okay, right? See, now it became colorful. So this is the contact information all the time. You will print it out whenever the data is collected on your behalf, on your name, which is pretty obvious. And that's how it is. So this is the preliminary one method of user-defined functioning for any data. Okay, so here you can see. So you have to call it for example, I did the instruction. So I have to instruction call it for instruction like this way. For example, this is the office address. You just do the office address like this way. Okay, and electricity bill, I had to make this randomly for my assignments and for the projects. We have to just finish it up from Bar State. So we have to just go for it. Here, for I in range 2, this is the range function method. So you have to just make it into user input system. User input. So for example, here, uh, for example, you go for something else. Here is like here I did like for 2%. You just do for random person as well. For this is for loop, but for I, this is I is basically we remember we used to do for example x is equal to something. So making an x into a variable or making an x variable. Here for I is the variable. For I range in range uh, 2. Okay, so you do it and you just do with the printing or whatever it is. So you call it here you named it. You named it. So you can name it anything. For example, if you just do uh, name of mm, okay, you just do student or person's name, person name, or you just name it just a name. Okay, name is equal to then because you have to name it. So whatever it is name, it is a string. So you just put the input function. Input is an inbuilt function, so you don't have to make it. Like please enter the name here. Okay. Okay. This is the printout user input. Like something you open it, and sometimes it asks for the name or something. Let me just jacket for you. Then, then age or something. So input int input or something. Hmm. Yeah, int because integer. Always numeric functions are all defined with the integer. So here input. Please enter the age of the person. Please enter the age. Age is fine. So you just define like that, and that's all. So here I did it into like this way, A and B. You can do for specific like name and age. It doesn't matter. So I made this print here because I could make a gap or something. It doesn't matter. Uh, yeah, you could do like that. So you have to close it, remember? So I spoke to from the beginning because you made it define the function. So you have to close it. So closing for this is pretty awesome, like this, just like this. and you close the next one also, uh, also like the same way. But if you want to make a gap, you just gap it, and you just close this for Sanjida Islam. This is the function. This is the basically basic and intermediate, whatever it is, the user input system. However you want to define it, just define it. So it says expected divided by line one. It shows the expected, so you don't have to do this shit. And here, here is the one thing. That's why it didn't work here. For line one, what is the line one here? Yep, yep. So this is the thing. So whenever I do this, so basically I did a mistake here. Yep, this is the thing. So now it is working. See? So you did a mistake with the column because it didn't recognize the Jupiter. It could not recognize. Okay, please enter the name. Okay, Sanjida Islam. Enter the age, 34. Okay, so because your age is over 34, that's why nothing updated. This is not defined. Okay, name is error and everything is error because the age is error. Okay, so for example, you do 23, sorry, not in there 23. Again, you just do this and do this again. For example, uh, 23. It is interrupted. So somehow it is interrupted. Okay, name 20. So it shows the contact, the Sangeeta ECC, or you could do like you could do here if not if not if data is not no because data is undefined. So please contact not Sangeeta Islam, contact uh, org.ecc or whatever it is. Okay, so this is the thing. So this will print. So 23 or whatever. So see, please data is undefined. So please contact or ECC. So I have to make this sure that these are defined positions and the functions are all capable to recognize. Then it will print something. I don't have time for doing that. So I'll show you next time. Tada.